The village square bursts into life, a magical haven under a canopy of vibrant lanterns. Villagers stroll through the square, their faces aglow in the lantern light, lost in the enchantment of the night. Mirha, an 8-year-old girl, stands mesmerized, her eyes wide with wonder at the luminous display. Hussein, her 3-year-old brother, clings to her side, equally captivated by the spectacle. Mirha's voice rings with childlike wonder as she exclaims, "Hussein! It's like the stars have fallen from the sky." The lanterns cast a soft, ethereal glow, transforming the square into a dreamscape where stars and earth unite. Under the vast night sky, Mirha and Hussein stand beside their loving parents, lanterns ready to ascend. Their parents' faces glow with affection as they help Mirha and Hussein prepare their lanterns for flight. With hopeful hearts, Mirha and Hussein clutch their lanterns, eager to release them into the star-studded expanse. Hussein's impatience bubbles over. "I want to fly my lantern too." The lanterns begin to glow, casting a warm, ethereal light on the family's faces, reflecting their shared dreams. As one, they release their lanterns, watching as the vibrant lights join the celestial dance above. Under the vast night sky, Mirha and Hussein release their lanterns, watching as they drift upwards. The lanterns ascend, drawn together by an unseen force, symbols of unity against the darkness. A single radiant heart illuminates the night as the lanterns merge, sparking joy in the village below. This is a sign that the love between siblings is the brightest light of all. Their mother proclaims, as Mirha and Hussein declare, "We'll always be together."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.